On IT system, I just want to show you the post installation of our Linux subsystem using Ubuntu 22.04 latest version. So when initially rebooted my computer, the first thing that came up was this screen here I'm showing you. I will play. I recorded it because I couldn't get the screen capture, so I decided to record it so I can show you. So this screen basically shows that the Ubuntu is installing, and I can just fast forward it, and you can see here we are still waiting for the installation. You can see there I was waiting for the now this one here. You can see the installation finished, and we are getting ready to enter in our username. Then after that, should ask you for the password. Just being kind of fast forward. So there I put my username. The next thing to ask for the password. You can see there. Did enter. After that, you have a new password screen. Then the next thing it should give us to type the new password. Then after that, we have the installation successful. There you see. So that's it. You have now your Linux subsystem on your Windows, and it runs parallel with the Windows. So here when you log in, you're gonna just log into your Windows machine as normal, and whenever you want to use the Linux subsystem, you can launch it via terminal. But basically for me, I'm planning to use it on my VS Code, so you can interact with your VS Code the way you would interact with the Linux machine. So after that, come here and open your VS Code and click on this, then connect to WSL. You see down here, starting VS Code in Windows, Linux, Windows, Linux. Then you have that. Then let's say I want to open a folder or add a folder here. You can see here it's giving me multiple folders. So the initial one, it's gonna show you the Ubuntu or Linux folders, but what we're interested in is this one here. Click on mount. Then when you click mount, now you can load your Windows file system using the C. So basically you are mounting your Windows file system into Linux system. Then you can start interacting with it on the command line, like the way we'll do. So once you are done, just select on C, and then it's gonna take your C drive, select whichever folder you want to interact with, then you can do all sorts of things with it. So you can open in command line, which is a terminal, and this one will basically connect your terminal to your Linux subsystem. You can see here, click on mount, and you can do all sorts of Linux operation on your machine interacting with the Windows 5. So basically that's it for all, and I'll see you in the next video while we use both Windows and Linux command line to interact with folders and everything you want. Thank you, and please make sure to subscribe, spread the word out, and share the video.